I know where. The person who knows about all about the peace and stability. Considering my family members, actually, all the time I have a difficulty with how to maintain the relationship with my daughter. Anyhow, I really welcome all of you from the UAE, and it's my great pleasure and honor. And I hope you enjoy the Korean culture and today Korean K weather as well. It's a very cold. 21st, right? 21st of this November. So after visiting UAE at 17 to 19, he visited, my president visited Egypt, and he made a lecture speech at the Cairo University, attended by almost 2,000 students, Egyptian students. So he announced a Korean and the Blackpink as well. So it's so surprising. It was surprising to me as well. The Middle East is known as the country who probably tend to refuse try to avoid the foreign culture. But now I believe it changed quite a lot. So now the Korean beauty and the Korean food are quite popular in the Middle East as well. So as a Korean diplomat, I'm very happy that Korean culture is enjoyed by many countries nowadays, because in 1970s, 1980s, one of the Korean football player who played in the German, actually he did not eat Korean food.
My question is more related to education. So in this 100 years partnership, what Korea sees moving forward in education? For example, in the UAE there is a lot of exchange of universities, so many campuses being opened in the UAE. Is there any perspective for the Korean government to be in the UAE maybe in that sense?
To invite more Korean universities or high school to the UAE. So we are reviewing that possibility of doing that. But in addition to that, we try to expand like a scholarship program and some like exchanges of professors, and also we are something in the field of education, but there will be some like a voluntary cooperation from the universities themselves.
Hi, I'm Ikra, and I'm a student from NYU Abu Dhabi. I'm studying Faculty Media with Business and Psychology, and today we are here at the Foreign Affairs in Korea. And we had a beautiful lecture here with one of the foreign ministers here. And I think coming here for a J term was really actually a good choice, even though it's really chilly out there. But I think we had a very warm introduction by the diplomats here. And we love the conversation, we love the cultural exchange, and the information that they shared out with increasing the gap between UAE and Korea. So yeah, it was really interesting, and hope to come back to Korea again.